Hi guys, to another video of Mixed Tarot, and today we are going to talk about the sign of Gemini for the month of May 2021. For Gemini for the month of May 2021. Alright, let's get started. By the way, it's a beautiful weather out here in Indore. It's all cloudy and nice. Alright, for Gemini, May 2021. For Gemini, May 2021. Justice is the first card. Beautiful. Five of Swords. King of Pentacles. Nice. Let me pull out a few more cards. Page of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Three of Cups. So let me just dive into the readings. Okay, in the center I've got the Justice card, and on the bottom of that I've got King of Pentacles. On top of that I've got Five of Swords. Seeing the overall energy, it's the Justice delivered. So whether it's a justice delivered for you or delivered for somebody else, we'll just see that while going ahead. Let me just start with the story here. So what I see in these cards is, let me start off by this Page of Wands. So what I see is a message being heard, that led to a situation of fight. So one person got hit and the other one is now just leaving. I also see a card where people are leaving. And on the bottom of that, I've got King of Pentacles. So it looks like a fight that led to one person leaving. I'll also try and show you something. Do you see there are three birds here? Three birds on this Page of Wands. I've also got Three of Cups here. So three people, three situations, three perspectives, three thoughts. I've also got three people here in the King of Pentacles. So this is a situation which consists three people, and what I really feel like, the time has changed. How I say that is, on top of this Justice card you see this wheel. Wheel could mean two things. One is a wheel of fortune, or in other words you can also say it's a change in time. So somebody used to be very strong or weak, and their time have changed. So now they are the strong one. So it's something like that. It's a change of time. It's a change of fortunes. Something to do with that. So what I see is that finally a justice has been done. And I still don't find you here in these cards, Gemini. I still don't find you. Let me see if I am able to find you, or if I can tell you which card is yours. So some sort of a justice has happened between a situation of three. So I can say a love triangle of sorts. That might be a love triangle. That might be a partnership of sorts. Whichever way you want to take it. Let me pull out two more cards. Right, the Chariot. So someone is moving out now, that's for sure. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so out of the three, one party must move out and one party must stay in this relationship to establish, strengthen the foundation and make this relationship strong. That's what I see. So I don't know whether you're the third party. If you are the third party, Gemini, it's time for you to get out. So how do you know you're a third party or not? Well, it's very easy. If you're in a relationship with any single person, you're not really a third party. You know, you're looking out for something and the other guy is looking out for something. So if two of you are not serious, so that's no problem at all. But if somebody in your relationship, you or the other person, is committed and you are flirting around with them, that is a third party. So I hope you're not doing that. You're not committed to anybody, so that's absolutely fine. If you are, then you are the third party and you need to move out. So let me tell you, tarot or not, whatever we do, there are certain morals, there are certain principles in life which one person should try and follow. I'm not saying that you can follow those principles everywhere. There are exceptions, but as much as you can follow them. So I don't want you to be in that third party situation. If somebody else wants to be there, let them be your guest. It's for them to decide what they want to do. So that sort of a situation. But if you're fighting for a loved one, if you're fighting for a person you're committed to, go ahead and fight. Give it every shot you can. Okay, so tell me something about this Chariot. Wheel of Fortune. I was just talking about this card. King of Cups. Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so I really don't know whether I'm talking to a female or a male here who's watching this video, but if you're a female, trust your man. He eventually he will make the right decision. Eventually, if you are a man watching this video, then you have to make a decision which should support your family. Your family comes first. So that's how I'm going to tell it or say it to you. So in any case, I see the Wheel of Fortune in your favor. I see the Chariot moving. So hopefully you'll decide the right decision. So tell me something about the Seven of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Queen of Cups, and the Star card. Beautiful. So eventually this situation which you are in, Gemini, this triangular relationship, I think it's a triangular situation. It might be something more also, but when I talk in a general terms, so I feel it's a triangular situation. So you will be able to move out of it and the situation will calm down. Since the Star card is here, it tells me that the person who is genuinely making the doing it with the right intention will get their wishes granted. So that's what you should do, right? I don't know what happened to my throat. Okay. Okay, which Justice, tell me something about Justice. Six of Swords, moving on, Death card, end of this crisis situation or whatever it was. Nine of Pentacles, waiting for the right thing to happen. Okay, so the time has come for you to just get back and relax. This situation will come to an end, and I see that happening in the month of May or somewhere around in next 2 months. So take care of yourself and enjoy yourself. In the meantime, the situation will last till the time it is supposed to last. So that's not really an issue, but the situation will come to an end eventually. So that's a good sign. So you need to get your energies up. Let me get an advice card for you guys. I really feel you need it. Outdoors, go outside, get some fresh air and connect with nature to relieve stress and gain new creative ideas. So I really feel you should, this is good for anybody, yeah. It's not just about you, this is good for anybody. So move around, see people. I know it's COVID, but whatever you can do. So be on the net if you can't really move around, or hang out on the in your garden or wherever you can. All right. Okay, eat a healthful diet, get adequate sleep, exercise regularly for optimum health. Yeah, that's good enough. That's very good advice. In fact, these are the two really good advices applicable on everybody. So follow that thing. And Gemini, let me know if you have any questions on this reading. It's a pretty clear, simple reading, and it defines and tell us about a situation that you're having in your life. I don't know how many of you are involved in a third party kind of a situation, but that's what this looks like. So hopefully I have given you good advices to follow, whosoever is in this situation. Let me know your comments and feedback, and thanks a lot for watching this video.